Okay, I'm finally live. All right, all right. I've been trying to go live for quite some time, and I guess my connection wasn't working. However, I'm here. Hello, everyone who is joining the live, or maybe you'll catch this live later on. But the new products. Here are the new products. This is what you can expect on the new website coming soon, y'all. Website will be available the first week of January or a little earlier. My website is done. However, there's just a few more things I need to add on to the website. I'm making it more user friendly, so I got a webmaster to redo the website. If you're joining, please share so that everyone else can join from your page if they're interested here. Give me just a moment. Let me just fix the camera just a little bit. Set it a little bit over this way. Okay. All right, you guys. Look, I'm excited. I'm very, very, very excited to be on this live today because I want to show you guys all the new products. I don't have all of them here. There's a lot of them. But I'm going to be showing you some of the products that are going to be on the new website that is launching the first week of January again. And as you can see, we have a lot of new things, and it looks different. It looks very, very different. So I want to kind of talk about them, not go into detail about it, but, talk about it a little and tell you what you can expect when you go onto the website. Now, before I get into, these products here, I want to talk about the current products that you see on Herbs for Health .store. Now, those products that you see there, they're not going to be there anymore. Some of them will be coming back. However, some of them, they have to go. Not a bad thing, but I have more formulas now that's going to help with different ailments that people deal with, like high blood pressure, rebuilding a healthy heart, your lungs, your digestive system, things like that. So what I'm saying is the single herbs are now formulated, and when you formulate herbs that are very powerful, it makes a powerful formula which you call synergy. And synergy is basically means that you're adding different herbs that kind of have the same effects or properties, and you create synergy, which makes it powerful. So this is what you're going to be getting. This is what you're going to see, a different blend of herbs that is going to give you synergy. So it's going to help you out a lot. So, those products, they won't be there anymore. However, some of the products are coming back, especially the teas, okay? Now, you guys might be sad about this, but the mineral balance, that's going to go for a little while. It's going to come back, okay? I just have to make some adjustments as far as the branding and having them in bottles and things like that. The immunity builder, the capsules, they're going to come back. Right now they're still there, but after the new website launches, you won't see them, but they will come back later, along with the tea. So, let's kind of talk about what you see here. You probably can't see everything, but I have quite a few things here. Thank you for the hearts. Share this in the group chat. They probably did not get the notifications, so you know what I mean. Share it in the group chat. Okay, so I I'm going to start with this. Now, you probably cannot see it, but I'm going to come up close so you can take a look. All right. This is gummies, the ginger and turmeric gummies. Now, a lot of you may see these in the store. Not my products in the store, but you may see other companies' products with the ginger and the turmeric. However, mines have black pepper added to it. I don't know if you can see that, but these are the new labels. Now, the black pepper is added to this gummy formula because it helps you to absorb the nutrients from the other properties that's in these gummies here. Okay, so that's why there is black pepper extract. So, as you guys know, I told you that I would have new products like gummies on the market. So, another gummy product I'm going to have, it's going to be probably before the store launches. I am going to have elderberry gummies. Now, remember how I said the immunity builder capsules, right? Those, like I said, they're going away for a while. They're coming back. I'm going to have the capsules, and I'm also going to have the immunity builder gummies, which is echinacea and elderberry, okay? And I might have one other herb in there too. It's just going to really help your immune system, and it fights off any infections. I actually gave a family member one of the immunity builder capsules that I made. All right, so the next one I want to talk about, because I think this one is very important. Like I said, I'm not going into depth with it, but this is called Healthy Heart. Healthy Heart. Now, before I get into this, Healthy Heart formula has, many different type of herbs in here. Basically, help you to rebuild the strength of your heart. Now, one thing I do want to mention about the website, when the new one comes, you're going to see the prices change. So, right now, my prices are very, very, very affordable. These are still affordable, but it's a lot more than what you're used to seeing. So, and that's the reason is because, as I explained with Synergy, is the mixing of the formulas of different herbs. That takes a lot of time, and that takes a lot of formulation, and it costs a lot. And you're going to be getting more capsules than you're used to. Like for this particular one, the Healthy Heart, you're going to get 180. There's 180 capsules in here, so that can last you quite a while. We have a lot more. I'm not gonna go through them all. But I just want to let you know we have a lot of different products. Another thing about these products, which you're going to see on the new website, is that if you want to have these monthly, you can get them monthly. Especially if you are dealing with high blood pressure, digestive issues, you may want to get these things for a while until you see the symptoms go away, and you can balance that with your diet too. So you'll see, a lot of these changes here, on the website. So you can sign up for monthly subscription. Now, when you do the monthly subscription, you're going to get a discount on it. So if this is $25, you're going to get a 25% discount when you sign up for it monthly. So it'll probably be like $19 or something like that. So that's how that will work. Now, I have products up here for people who are into fitness. As you can see here, this big jar, I'm going to lift it up so you can see, this is the vegan protein powder, and it's vanilla milkshake. because that's what it tastes like. It tastes really, really good. This is for people who's into fitness. Oh, you don't have to be into fitness to, you know, enjoy the benefits of the vegan protein. But if you are on a weight loss journey and you want to replace your meals so you can feel satiated and not overeat, you can, you know, have this vegan protein. Now, this is 2 pounds. This is a lot, so it's gonna last you a while. But I'm gonna make a video on how I make my vegan smoothies with Seamoss. So that's gonna be a fun video if you wanna learn how to do that. So these are the new products, and let me see. I think this one here is my favorite, and this is the kidney support. Now, a lot of people have issues with their kidneys, so this will help cleanse it and rebuild it and rejuvenate it and restore it. Also help your urinary tract because it's all connected together. So this is going to be very, very beneficial for those of you who have any type of kidney issues, or you may feel like your kidneys is kind of off. You know, you can use this to restore it and cleanse it. And I think it's my favorite because, first of all, the color choices that I chose for this label here, and because the ingredients, of course, up here. And I think it's something that a lot of people can benefit from. Now, if you guys have any questions, you can leave them down in the description there in the comment section here on Facebook Live. Now, I know a lot of you follow me on my personal page, so I'm going to go over to the personal page, or I might just post this there. And you guys can ask me questions about the new products, anything you want to know, and I will respond to you. But thank you guys for joining this live, and I hope to hear from you soon. All right.